Okay. My video keeps getting cut off. I apologize. So let's start where we were at. So we can graph a linear equation by using a table of values, or we can just use 2 points. 2 points that are very helpful or specific when graphed in this form is a standard form. We have the number x plus the number y equals a number is called standard form. When numbers are in standard form, it's easy to use zeros to solve to get to coordinates. These are called your x and y intercepts. Your y-intercept is when x is 0, and your x-intercept is when y is 0. Okay. So I want you to practice finding intercepts and graphing on your own on this paper. So what you're going to do is, let's focus here. You're going to find your x-intercept by plugging in 0. Then you're going to find your y-intercept by plugging 0 in for x. You're going to write them here, and you're going to graph them. You connect the 2 points, and then there's your line. All you need is 2 points to create a line. The more points, the better, but I want you to complete the rest of this page. I want you to pause the video now and complete it. And when you're ready, come back and look. Pause the video if you need to check this over. Pause the video if you need to check this over. Now, let's talk more about standard form. This number x, number y equals a number. This is the form ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are real numbers. A and b are both, or they're not both 0, and a must be positive. Another thing I forgot to mention is they're whole numbers. Meaning there's not going to be any fractions. So if you look at part A, we need to get x to the left. Since it's positive, we're going to make it negative. Now there'd be nothing here. Now we need to bring the number to the right. Since it was positive, we're going to make it negative. So ax plus by equals c. Good. Now, it said a must be positive. Well, it needs to be a positive 10x, therefore that one would have to be positive, and this one would have to be positive. Keep x here. You need to make that number go to the other side. You need to make that 3y come back over. Here we need to bring x to the other side. We need to make x positive. Therefore, the other ones will change their signs. But here's the problem. We have this half. How do you get rid of dividing by 2? Multiply everything by 2. So it's going to become 1x minus 2y equals negative 6. Now, I want you to try the next 3 on your own. Pause the video and come back to look at it. Three needs to be positive, so we change the signs. Okay, 2y needs to come over. 4 needs to go. I did 2 things at once. That's too much. Go ahead and pause. And here, bring x over. Make it positive. Therefore, the other ones have to be negative, because we're technically multiplying by -1. And since we're dividing by 4, multiply everything by 4. The end. All right. That being said, That was practice. You need to do this worksheet on your own. Okay. I want you to move the number to the other side, make it positive, and then tell me what A, B, and C are.